making a picture poster.
See, we have so many pictures of nature, like the sea, trees, winter. We are going to make a pretty picture.
Yes, we are.
We also have pictures of tornadoes and earthquakes.
They are also part of nature.
It's looking so lovely, see?
Nature. Hello friends, shall we see the beauty that nature offers? What do we see in the day? The blue sky, the sun. Sometimes after the rain, you see a rainbow in an arc across the sky. It has such beautiful colors in it. The sky is a bright blue by day and dark at night. Here is a mountain range. Can you see the mountain peak? Look, you can see a waterfall. You can also see a cave. This is a plain. This is a hill. There is the river. This is a valley. This is the forest. This is a pond. This is a lake. A lake is bigger than a pond. This is the sea. Look at the huge wave. This is sand. This is an atoll. An atoll is an island of coral that surrounds a shallow body of water, either fully or partially. Look at the erupting volcano. This is an island. This is an oasis. It is the only place where water is present in the desert. Okay friends, what do you see at night? You can see stars. There are so many stars in the sky that you cannot count them. They seem to be twinkling. You can see the moon shining bright at night. Have you seen the shape of the moon change? It grows every month and becomes a full moon. It is called a full moon day. Then the moon begins to change shape again. It disappears completely. It is then known as new moon day. On a new moon day, the sky is dark due to the absence of the moon. After the new moon, the moon appears in a crescent shape and grows day by day to become a full moon again. There are times when you may have seen an eclipse. When the earth comes between the moon and the sun, it is called a lunar eclipse. When the moon comes between the earth and the sun, it is called a solar eclipse. Sometimes you also see a comet in the sky. A comet is made up of rock, dust and ice. A comet orbits the sun. When you watch the stars at night, you might see some of them moving. These are not stars, but asteroids. Asteroids are made up of stone and metal and they orbit the sun. When asteroids come close to the earth, they will burn. Weather. There are 4 seasons in a year. They are winter. This season it is very cold. Spring. Plants begin to grow as the leaves on trees. New life begins. Summer. This season is very hot. Autumn. In this season, the trees shed their leaves. Cold winds begin to blow. Winter will soon follow. This is lightning. Positive and negative charges in a cloud collide with each other to produce lightning. Sometimes lightning is attracted to the ground. Thunder occurs after lightning. This is wind. It is very rough. This is winter
And this is snowfall.
This is snow.
These are clouds and this is rain. This is fog. This is a tornado. This is a cyclone.
This is a flood. During a flood, water covers land. Heavy rains can cause floods.
This is an earthquake.
An earthquake happens when there is a change on the Earth's surface. This is caused by the movement of the tectonic plates on the Earth's crust.